Spent 4 glorious years at Auburn in the civil engineering program there and graduated. And as I was graduating, had the opportunity to interview, and I interviewed with Miller Gorrie, and I think we kind of hit it off.
Jeff came to work like everybody else, and he hit the ground running. He had plenty of confidence and plenty of ability, and he was immediately given major responsibilities after he learned the basics of estimating and project management, and then he was assigned some of our larger projects and then our largest projects while he was a project manager.
Jeff is really a smart person. Miller Gorrie recognized that at the very beginning. He put Jeff on some of the biggest projects, most complicated projects we'd ever tackled as a company, because while we didn't have great experience with those kind of complicated projects, he knew Jeff could handle it, and he could.
He did that red roof building at 280 and 459 for the telephone company. It's now owned by the power company. And then he did the Kirkland Clinic, which was a major project for us at the time in 1990.
Jeff has an incredible engineering mind. He thinks like an engineer. He's very solution-oriented, but he's also a people person. He thinks about people and how to leverage and grow people so that they are at their best, but he's solution-minded because of his engineering background.
Early on, I knew right away he was somebody that everybody looked to and respected, and was just a great role model for me in my early years.
Although we're proud of building projects, we really recognize that what we're doing is building people, because you don't do it by yourself. It's teamwork, and you want to build younger people, bring them along, and basically you want to replace yourself. So I think developing people, building relationships, focusing on teamwork, I think are really the critical elements.
Well, I love Jeff Stone. If you're one of Jeff's people, he always has your back. And that doesn't mean he doesn't push you, but I would sometimes get into tension with operations, which he also had. And when I would go to Jeff and I would maybe complain about something that wasn't going well, he would always turn me around and sort of make me assess, like, what are you doing to help the situation? I don't think that's always what I wanted to hear. But what I loved about that is I knew when others were coming to potentially complain about me, and they rightfully probably should have, that he was also spinning them around too. He had his team's back, whoever his team was.
It was back in 2015 when he chaired our elections to Tocqueville Society, and he recruited over 100 people to give $10,000 to United Way. I said, wow, this guy's got something going on. When a community organization hitches their wagon to his hitch, it goes places because he's passionate about the work. Whether he's working on a campaign for Auburn or for United Way or whatever it is, he's all in, and you really feel that. And it's that sense of passion he brings to these community roles that makes such a big difference.
As important as it is to pour ourselves into our work, I think we have to recognize we have to serve others. And it's not all about us, it's about serving others as well.
I can't think of anybody that's represented us better in and outside the company than Jeff.
Birmingham and this community is better off because of what Jeff Stone has done as a volunteer and his community efforts.
Jeff symbolizes to me excellence in everything he does. He's smart. He's also got a tremendous amount of common sense. He works hard, and you can always count on him. He does what he says he's going to do, and I've just thoroughly benefited from a relationship with him for all these years.
Congratulations, Jeff, on being inducted into the Alabama Construction Hall of Fame.
Congratulations, Jeff Stone, on this honor. You are wildly deserving.
Thank you for our close friendship for over 40 years. You've meant a great deal to me as a person. You've helped me grow, and you are incredibly deserving of this award, and I wish you the very best, and congratulations.